Hello everyone, Dr. Beena here. Today we are revising the subcellular organelles, some important questions. The important questions came for the university are: describe the functions of mitochondria 3 marks, what are cathepsin 2 marks, what are the functions of lysosome 2 marks, and marker enzymes of Golgi bodies and peroxisome 1 mark. In this table, you can see the organelles with their functions. Nucleus does important function of DNA replication, transcription, endoplasmic reticulum, biosynthesis of proteins, glycoproteins, lipoproteins, drug metabolism, ethanol oxidation, synthesis of cholesterol, apart, etc. And then lysosomes, degradation of proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and the nucleotides. And mitochondria, electron transport chain, ATP generation, T-cell cycle, beta oxidation, ketone body production, urea synthesis, gluconeogenesis, pyrimidine synthesis, all in parts. And then cytosol, protein synthesis, glycolysis, glycogen metabolism, HMP shunt pathway, in transamination, fatty acid synthesis, cholesterol synthesis, heme synthesis in part, urea synthesis in part, and pyrimidine synthesis a part, and purine synthesis. These are the important functions of the various subcellular organelles. So whenever you are asked to write about nucleus or lysosome or mitochondria or cytosol, you have to know what are the main functions. So that's why I have shown this table, so you can study this part also. Now the first question was the functions of mitochondria. You know, mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell, and it is spherical, oval or rod-like bodies, size 0.2 to 0.8 micrometers. Number of mitochondria in cell varies. Erythrocytes no mitochondria, but in liver cells around 800 to 2500 mitochondria are present. And before going to the function, you have to write the structure, something about the structure. It is a bilayered structure. Outer mitochondrial membrane is smooth, and the inner mitochondrial membrane is convoluted into the folds called cristae. And there are two compartments. One is the inner membrane space, intermembrane space, that is between the outer and the inner membrane there is a space, and the other one is the blue one is the matrix. So the mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. Inner mitochondrial membrane contains the electron transport chain. Matrix contains enzymes of T-cell cycle, beta oxidation of fatty acid, etc. Mitochondrial supply of most of the cells need for ATP. So the major function is the production of ATP, and also cellular respiration and the oxidation of carbohydrates, lipids, and the urea synthesis and the heme synthesis. Now, what are the clinical significance? Always, whenever you are asked to write about the function, mention some clinical application also. So, LAPS disease, there's a defective energy transduction, mitochondrial myopathies, then Knox-Fos disease due to the mutation of mitochondrial DNA. Then Parkinson's disease and cardiomyopathies are age-related degenerative diseases. Antibiotics inhibiting bacterial protein synthesis do not affect the cellular process, but it inhibits the mitochondrial protein synthesis. Then mitochondria are considered as the parasite which entered the cell during the course of evolution. So it is considered as a parasite. Now, what are the functions of lysosome? What is lysosome and functions? Lysosomes, it is a vesicular structure, size 0.4 micrometers, surrounded by lipoprotein membrane. It is of acidic pH about 5 and contains a group of hydrolytic enzymes, that is about more than 40 enzymes are present, and the marker enzyme is cathepsins. So lysosomes are the cell's garbage disposal system. You know what is garbage? It's garbage is produced waste material produced in the community daily basis, and they are to be disposed. So every town will have a garbage disposal plant. Like that, in our body, in the cell, whatever garbage is produced, it has to be disposed by. It is done by the lysosome. Lysosome recycle materials by breaking down worn out parts of the cell into the smaller units. So whatever cells worn out parts are produced daily, that will be converted, and that will be broken down, and finally it is recycled. Deliver these materials to the cytoplasm for synthesizing new proteins. So these finally can be reused to produce new proteins. The rupture of the lysosome membranes releases the enzyme which may destroy the cell itself, giving lysosome the name suicide bag. So if at all the lysosomal membranes are ruptured, what happens is all these hydrolytic enzymes will be released that will again destroy the cell itself. So because the enzymes are of degenerative type, so suddenly the cell itself will be degenerated and destroyed, and that is why the name suicide bag. Lysosomes are required for the intracellular digestion of biopolymers. You know what are biopolymers? Carbohydrate, lipids, proteins, nucleotides, etc. are the biopolymers. So lysosomes are required for their intracellular digestion. So cellular digestion is required. Hydrolysis of carbohydrates by the glucosidase, fucosidase, hyaluronidase, and proteins by cathepsins, collagenase, and elastase, lipids by fatty acyl esterase and phospholipase, and nucleic acid by phosphodiesterase. So these are the enzymes which will it will digest the biopolymers like carbohydrate, lipids, proteins, and nucleotides. And then there was another question called cathepsin. Even though cathepsin comes under lysosome, when you are asked to write about the lysosome, you can mention cathepsin there also. If the cathepsin is asked separately, that is, it's a proteolytic enzymes of the lysosome, and it is a marker enzyme of lysosome. And in the phagolysosomes, the particles are broken down by the enzyme known as cathepsins. So phagolysosome means whatever phagocytically something is taken into the lysosome, and it has to be broken down by an enzyme, that is the cathepsins. So the term cathepsin is a Greek word meaning to digest. So the meaning of the word cathepsin is to digest. So it will digest the phagocytes. And cathepsins are 18 in number. Total there are about 18 numbers of cathepsin designated from the letter A to T. Then most of them are active at pH, acidic pH of between 3 and 5. And the cathepsins are implicated in tumor metastasis. They degrade the basal lamina of the cells. So by this action, that is degrading the basal lamina of the cells, tumor metastasis can be achieved. So that is the recent function found out for the cathepsins. So it is implicated in the metastasis of cancer. Then lysosome again, whenever functions are written, you have to mention the clinical application also. So you can mention what is lysosomal storage disorder. Sometimes one mark question can come as the lysosomal disorder. So examples: inclusion cell bodies, a protein targeting defect, accumulation of undigested molecule, that is inclusion bodies. Then gout, urate crystals are phagocytosed and causes physical damage to the lysosome, releasing enzymes producing inflammation and arthritis. So you know what is gout? That is hyperuricemia producing urate crystal deposition in the joints, synovial fluids and synovial membranes, and there will be inflammation. So this inflammation may be due to this type of reaction, that is this physical damage of the lysosome present in that cell will be occurring, so leaking the enzymes which will produce this inflammation. Then cathepsins are implicated in tumor metastasis, that we have already noted, and that is cathepsins always some are having a action to degrade the basal lamina of the cells. Then silicosis, it is a disease where the patients are it is an occupational disease where silica particles may enter the lungs and all. Then the lysosomal enzymes are released, stimulating a fibroblast proliferation in the lungs. So there will be emphysematous type of disorders for these patients due to the silicosis. That is also again lysosomal storage disorder. Now in the marker enzymes of subcellular organelles, in the question, there was a question where the Golgi marker enzymes of Golgi complex and the peroxisome. So that is why I put this in red color. Golgi complex, galactosyl transferase is the marker enzyme. Peroxisome, where the hydrogen peroxide is removed from this by the catalase and peroxidase. So there are other marker enzymes for the various uh, subcellular organelles. Nucleus, DNA, nucleus, inner membrane, that ATP synthase, lysosome, cathepsins, Golgi complex, galactosyls and transferase, microsomes, glucose 6 phosphatase, cytoplasm lactate dehydrogenase, peroxisome, catalase and peroxidase. So anything can be asked. Sometimes they will ask microsomes or sometimes lysosomes, sometimes peroxisome, like that. So one mark question can come from that. So study all these organelles, their functions, their clinical applications or disorders associated with this, and marker enzymes of this. So, and also separation techniques are also important in this subcellular uh, organelles, how they are separated to various compartmentalization. Okay. Thank you.